Hi! So for today, we will be painting some bags. So starting off with this black sling bag. So I have decided to paint cow print dun sa flap niya. So lately, I've been seeing na trendy yung cow printed bags. Kaya I've decided to paint one for myself. So, kaya katiin nyo na kasi baka mag-expect kayo kasi I wasn't able to film the process of this one. Kaya I will just share with you how I made this. So basically, madali lang siya guys, kaya nyo siyang gawin, I swear. Kapag black yung bag nyo, like mine, all you have to do kung gusto nyo parang ganito yung kalalabas ako niya yung flap lang yung gusto naman design. What you'll do is to paint the whole flap ng white. Then let it dry first. Then after that, mag-sketch na kayo kung paano yung gusto nyo maging itsure ng print ng cows. Then basically, paintan nyo lang ng black. But if you have a white bag, all you have to do is sketch then paint it ng black. Then, ayun na yun. So, ayun. So, here's the second bag. It's just an orange baguette bag. So, if you want to see the process on how I painted this one, then just keep on watching. Ay! Oh my gosh! Oh my...